Unit 3, Possessive Adjectives. Dear students, in this unit, today we'll learn about possessive adjectives. Like, what are possessive adjectives? And we will practice more about possessive adjectives. So, first of all, you should know what do you mean by possessive adjectives. Okay, we use possessive adjectives to show, okay, possessive adjectives we use to show who owns or possess things. Okay, for example, if you say this is my pen, okay, so you own this pen, you are the owner of this pen. Okay, so we use possessive adjective to show who owns or possess thing. Okay, let us look at the examples of possessive adjectives. So these are the following example of possessive adjectives: my, your, his, her, its. Okay, remember I have used this in possessive adjectives. We don't use the apostrophe. Okay, with it we don't use the apostrophe. Okay, so we use its. Okay, so my, your, his, her, its. So this is one: my, your, his, her, its, and our, and their. Okay, so these are the common possessive adjectives. Okay, let's look at the objectives of this unit. Okay, after completing this unit, you will be able to identify the personal pronoun in a statement. Okay, and to use possessive adjectives, okay, in describing your personal belongings. Now let us look at the first example. I am a soccer fan. I am a soccer fan. Okay, my favorite soccer player is Yasir Al-Qahtani. So this is the possessive adjective my. Let us look at more example. You are a tennis fan. Okay, your favorite sport is tennis. He is a golfer. His matches are great. Okay, so all these are possessive adjectives. Okay, she is a famous writer. Her new book is amazing. We are Al Akhdar fans. Our favorite team is Al Akhdar. They are tennis players. Their matches are great. Their matches are exciting. So these are the common possessive adjectives. Okay, I am a soccer fan. My favorite soccer player is Yasir Al-Qahtani. For you are, we use the possessive adjective your. For he, his, she, her, we, our, they, their. Okay, let us move on to the next exercise in this unit. Okay, here we will practice about the verb be in statements. Means it's a kind of revision what we did in unit 1. The verb be in statements: yes, no questions, and short answers. Okay, am I late? Okay, yes you are. Okay, no you are not, you are not late. Okay, so means if you want to make sure, am I late? Yes you are. Okay, no you are not. Okay, and if you want to give the complete answer, you are not late. Okay. Are you busy? Okay. Are you busy? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. I'm not busy. Is he strict? Yes, he is. No, he is not. He is not strict. Okay. Is she tired? Yes, she is. No, she is not. She is not tired. Okay. Is it hard work? Yes, it is. No, it is not. It is not hard work. Are we late? Yes, we are. No, we are not. We are not late. Okay. Are they nice? Yes, they are. No, they are not. They are not nice. Okay. Let us move to the next part of this unit. Here we will ask information questions with be. Okay. Like, how are you? Okay. I'm fine. Who is this? He is my grandfather. How are your parents? They are fine. Okay. How are you? I am fine. Who is this? He is my grandfather. How are your parents? They are fine. Okay. So these are the information questions with be. Let's practice more. Okay. Where are you from? I'm from Abha. Okay. Where is he from? He is from Makkah. Okay. Where are they today? They are at home. How old are you? Okay. I am 20. What's he like? Okay. He's very smart. What are their names? They are Amir and Asad. Okay. So this is all for today in this unit. In this unit we practice about possessive adjectives. Okay. We practice about the verb be. Okay, a kind of revision what we did in unit 1, and then we practice about information questions with verb be. Hope you have got enough idea about possessive adjectives, about information questions with be, and how to use be with yes no questions. So this is all for today. See you in the next class.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.